Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. What is the most important thing to remember when carrying a passenger? A. Because it's heavier. The motorcycle will respond more slowly. B. You will be less visible because your headlights will be dipped further. C. There's more weight over the rear wheel so you can stop faster. D. The driver should give the passenger S. more room by moving further forward. The correct answer is A. Question 2. A white reflector, cat's eyes, means what when you see it on the road? A. No overtaking. B. Cycle lane. C. White marks the right side of the road. D. White marks the center line. The correct answer is D. Question 3. What should you do to keep control of your machine if you encounter rough, uneven surfaces? Check all that apply. A. Keep your head up. B. Don't resist and try and control the bike's every move. Relax. C. Ride in the left track if there are wheel tracks. D. Right in the right track if there are wheel tracks. E. Brake using the rear wheel first. The correct answer is A, B, C. Question 4. The open road speed limit for a car or motorbike is what? A. 100 km per hour. B. 110 km per hour. C. 80 km per hour. D. 70 km per hour. The correct answer is A. Question 5. When driving a car in wet or frosty conditions, what rule should you use to judge as a safe following distance? A. 2-second rule. B. 4-second rule. C. 100 meters rule. The correct answer is B. Question 6. What does this sign mean? A. The road surface is uneven ahead. B. There is a sharp curve in the road ahead. C. Road bump ahead. D. Slippery road ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 7. What should you do when following another vehicle in wet conditions? If you are driving a car. A. Observe the 2-second rule. B. Observe the 4-second rule. C. Observe the 6-second rule. D. Fall back or overtake so that your visibility is not affected by the spray. The correct answer is B. Question 8. Permitted you can do so safely. You may pass on the left at an intersection if A. The vehicle beside you is going faster than the speed limit. B. The vehicle behind is signaling a left turn. C. You have your parking lights off. D. The vehicle in front is signaling a right turn. The correct answer is D. Question 9. Where no broken yellow lines have been marked, how close can you park your vehicle to an intersection? A. 10 meters. B. 6 meters. C. 2 meters. D. 1 meter. The correct answer is B. Question 10. What does speed limit mean? A. The minimum speed for that road. B. The maximum speed for that road in good conditions. C. The maximum speed for cars only. D. Except for when overtaking another vehicle, it is the maximum speed that you can drive. The correct answer is B. Question 11. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 12. What does the road code suggest you do when parking downhill on a steep road? Select all that apply. A. Turn the wheels towards the curb. B. Turn your wheels away from the curb. C. Put your car in park if it has an automatic transmission, or in reverse gear if it has manual transmission. D. Turn your low beams on. E. Put your handbrake on. The correct answer is A, C, E. Question 13. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 14. Check all those that apply as to why face protection is important when on a motorcycle. A. It protects the rider's identity as other road users won't be able to distinguish who the rider is. B. The rider's eyes and face are protected from wind, rain, insects, dust and other debris. C. It keeps the face of the rider warm in cooler temperatures. D. It's impossible to breathe without one above 80 km per hour. The correct answer is B. Question 15. Of the 4 hazards marked, which one is most likely to require you to take urgent action as the driver of the blue car? A. The cyclist. B. The parked car on your side of the road. C. The car coming at you. D. The pedestrian on the opposite footpath. The correct answer is A. Question 16. Are you allowed to overtake if you are on a 3-laned road and there is 1 lane on your side and 2 lanes coming towards you? There is also a dashed white line on your side of the center line. A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 17. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 18. What should you do if another driver or rider follows you too closely? A. Speed up so that they can't pass you. B. Pull to the left to let them past. C. Hold your line. The correct answer is B. Question 19. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 20. What must you clean your helmet with if it gets dirty? A. A mild cleaner. B. Bleach. C. Soap and water. The correct answer is C. Question 21. What does this sign mean? A. On a roundabout, give way to vehicles from the left lane. B. On a roundabout, give way to vehicles from the left and right-hand side. C. Give way on a roundabout ahead. D. Another roundabout ahead. The correct answer is C. Question 22. Check all of the motorbike helmet standards that are acceptable in New Zealand. A. UN ECE Regulation Number 22. B. Australian Standard AS 1698. C. New Zealand Standard NZS 5430. D. British Standard BS 6658. E. Japan Industrial Standard T8133. The correct answer is A, B, C, D, E. Question 23. When driving, are you required to carry your license at all times if you are the holder of any class of driver license? A. No. B. Yes. C. Only if you're on a suspended license. The correct answer is B. Question 24. What does this sign mean? A. The left side of a bridge. B. The right side of a bridge. C. The left side of a road. D. The right side of a road. The correct answer is A. Question 25. How should the fastest stops be made? A. Regressive braking. B. Progressive braking. C. High impact braking. D. Hesitant braking. The correct answer is B. Question 26. When must you always dip your headlights on your vehicle at night? Check all that apply. A. When other vehicles are driving towards you. B. When you are following other vehicles. C. When traffic is being directed by a police officer. D. When you park your car. E. When you are backing out of a driveway. The correct answer is A, B, C, D. Question 27. What should you do when a flock of sheep are coming toward you on a country road? Check all that apply. A. Sound your horn and keep driving, the sheep will pass. B. Slow down and be prepared to stop. C. Follow the farmer's instructions. D. Continue driving slowly with your hazard lights on. The correct answer is B, C. Question 28. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 29. What does this sign mean? A. A route for pedestrians only. B. School ahead. C. No pedestrians permitted. D. A route for cyclists only. The correct answer is A. Question 30. If the vehicle behind you starts to pass you, what should you do? A. Move over to the far left-hand side of the road. B. Maintain your speed. C. The left of the lane is more dangerous, so remain in the middle of your lane. D. Be prepared to slow down to ensure a safe passing maneuver. The correct answer is A, B, D. Question 31. When carrying a passenger on a motorcycle, what changes should you make to your motorcycle and riding style? Check all that apply. A. For a more comfortable ride, deflate the tires slightly so that more tire contacts the road. B. To compensate for the change in angle of the motorcycle because of the passenger, adjust the mirror and headlight. C. Adjust your shock absorbers, if possible, to be firmer. D. Seat further up in your seat than you normally would. The correct answer is B, C. Question 32. If your vehicle is not up to warrant of fitness standard, can you be fined if it is on the road? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 33. What is the legal alcohol limit in micrograms per liter of breath if you are 20 or over? A. 400 mcg, liter of breath. B. 350 mcg, liter of breath. C. 250 mcg, liter of breath. D. 100 mcg, liter of breath. E. 0. The correct answer is C. Question 34. What does this sign mean? A. Crossroads. B. Roundabout. C. No entry. D. No stopping. The correct answer is D. Question 35. Who must you report the injury to if you are the driver involved in injuring somebody in a crash? A. A fire officer. B. A police officer. C. The parents of the person you injured. D. A doctor. E. A clerk of the court. The correct answer is B.